Today I am going to give you 5 of the best cleaning tips and tricks to clean your dishwasher. I made this list because I often get a lot of questions about this on my list of countertop dishwasher reviews. Hopefully, these professional cleaning tricks that I have picked up here and there, will give you the material you need to keep your portable dishwasher, or for that matter, any dishwasher, in tip-top shape, and help make it last for years to come. Here are 5 things you can do regularly to prolong the life of your dishwasher. 1. Remove hard water buildup from your dishwasher. Many residential areas are prone to having a hard water problem. Hard water is water that has high mineral content, in contrast with soft water. Hard water is defined as water having high levels of minerals in it. Hard water is formed when water percolates through deposits of calcium and magnesium containing minerals such as limestone, chalk, and dolomite. When you run your dishwasher, the high concentration of minerals can form deposits that can damage your machine over time. The most effective practice for eliminating hard water is the use of an acidic product to break down the deposits. Now, we are not talking about battery acid, just a general acidic liquid or powder such as these everyday things around the house. Sodium bicarbonate, aka baking soda. Lime juice. Citric acid powder. Rasna, Indian version of Tang. Lemon-flavored Crystal Light. 2. Disinfect your dishwasher. The best product by far, to purify your dishwasher and kill mold and mildew is bleach. It cleans and purifies the interior of your dishwasher, leaving it nice and shiny. 3. Thoroughly clean the drain of your dishwasher. Probably the most critical areas of your dishwasher to keep clean is the drain at the bottom of the dishwasher. If not maintained properly, the drain can clog, and your dishwasher will not be able to clean your dishes properly. To clean, start by removing any food or debris from the drain sump area. You might have to disassemble the drainage system to clear it of any debris. Follow these steps below to remove and clean your drain sump. Unplug your dishwasher from the wall outlet. Remove screws from the drainage system cover plate. It's important to fill the open hole with a towel to prevent anything from falling into the drain. Remove any food particles by hand. Use a wire brush to remove any food particles from drain cover. Reinstall drainage system. 4. Inspect and clean your dishwasher spray arms. Dishwashers spray water over the dishes using spray arms. They operate by letting water pass through small holes in the spray arms, which allow water to spray across the dishes. Over time, these arms get plugged with buildup. If there is evidence of clogged spray arm holes, use a toothpick or a strong gauge wire to pierce and clean out the holes. 5. Clean the crooks and crevices of your dishwasher. Parts of your dishwasher often get neglected when it comes to cleaning. For example, every so often take the time to clean the edges around the door with a damp cloth and a basic household cleaner. Don't forget these areas as well. Rinse aid dispenser. Cutlery basket. The bottom edge of the door attached to the hinges. Dishwasher cleaning DIY final thoughts. The 5 dishwasher cleaning DIY offered in this video may seem like common sense, however, one of the best preventive maintenance tips is to use your machine regularly. Routine use will help reduce the buildup of grime and grease. For the best results, empty your dishwasher, then run it through a full cycle before cleaning it. By doing this, you'll get the most natural cleaning experience rather than trying to clean it when everything is dried out. Well, that does it for now, but I hope these tips will help with cleaning and preventive maintenance of your countertop dishwasher.